7 surprising psychological insights about the rear entry position. The rear entry position, commonly known as doggy style, is one of the most well-known intimate postures, yet many are unaware of the psychological dynamics behind its popularity. Let's explore 7 fascinating facts that reveal why this position holds such a unique place in intimate relationships. 1. It awakens instinctive behaviors. This position is closely tied to innate evolutionary instincts. Its resemblance to natural mating behavior seen across various species can activate deep-seated responses related to attraction, dominance, and fertility. This primal connection may help explain its intense appeal for some individuals. 2. Reflects power dynamics. Researchers have found that this posture can highlight unspoken power roles during intimacy. The person in the leading position may feel a stronger sense of control, while the receiving partner may experience feelings of vulnerability. These contrasting dynamics can heighten emotional and physical sensation when mutual consent and trust are present. 3. Builds nonverbal trust. Though it may seem physically distant due to the lack of face-to-face contact, many couples who prefer this position report a deeper sense of trust. Since visual cues are limited, partners must rely on physical signals and clear communication, which can actually foster emotional connection. 4th, may enhance female sensitivity. Anatomically, this position can align with sensitive zones within the body, particularly those linked to heightened sensations. For some women, this can lead to more intense experiences, especially when paired with external stimulation and mutual attentiveness. 5. Can influence emotional intimacy. Due to its more physical and less face-to-face nature, relying too heavily on this position may create a sense of emotional distance. Integrating more emotionally connected positions into one's routine can help maintain both physical pleasure and emotional closeness. 6. Increases arousal for some men. Studies indicate that many men find this position particularly engaging, often due to the enhanced visual perspective and the sense of leadership it provides. The combination of movement, body angles, and a more dominant role can increase excitement for some. 7. Appeals to adventurous couples. Those who enjoy exploring and trying new things in their intimate lives often gravitate toward the rear entry position. Its adaptability and room for creativity make it a favorite among couples looking to keep their experiences fresh and exciting. Conclusion: the rear entry position isn't just a physical act. It engages deep psychological elements tied to trust, instinct, and emotional connection. By understanding these layers, couples can explore it in a way that enhances both closeness and mutual enjoyment.